So today I'm going to discuss the concept of heat transfer. Thermochemistry. Thermochemistry is the study of energy and heat associated with physical changes and chemical reactions. Under thermochemistry, we have heat transfer. Heat transfer is the energy transferred from one system to another by thermal interaction when energy is exchanged. So remember, temperature remains the same, however, the state changes. Heat can be transferred through radiation, convection, and lastly, conduction. So the formula of heat transfer is heat equals to specific heat times mass times change in temperature. The constants are heat fusion is equals to 333 joules per gram. The specific heat of water, 4.2 joules per gram times Kelvin. Heat of vaporization, 2260 joules per gram.
Oh, hi. Hi everyone, my name is Prince and I'm going to teach you how to solve this question. So, how much heat is required to melt 250 grams of ice and heat water to steam at 100 degrees Celsius? So, here's the solution for melting the ice. So, here's the solution of solving the melting of the ice. So, Q, the heat, equals to the mass times the specific heat. We got the mass through the given 250 grams and the 333 joules per grams is given from the heat fusion. So here's the solution. 250 grams times 333 joules per grams is equals to 83,250 joules. Why joules? We cancelled out the grams of the mass and the grams of the heat fusion. The equation of solving the raise of water from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. The equation, heat equals to the mass, which is 250 grams, times the specific heat of water, which is 4.2 joules over grams, times Kelvin. Times again to the change in temperature, which is the final minus the initial temperature. Then, according to the calculator, when we multiply them all, the answer will be 105,000 joules. Here is the next equation, which is the evaporation of water at 100 degrees Celsius. Q, the heat, equals to 250 grams, which is the mass, and 2,260, which is the heat vaporization. So, when we multiply them, the answer will be 565,000 joules. Why joules? Cancel out the grams on the mass and the grams of the heat vaporization. And now for the total heat transfer. The sum of all equations I've made is given here. Equation 1, 2, and 3. 83,250 joules plus 105,000 joules plus 565,000 joules is equals to 753,250 joules.
Yes.
Good morning everyone, I'm Jasmin and today we're going to show you an experiment on heat transfer. So first of all, the materials that we are going to need are a tin can, a lighter, and a basin full of water. First step, place the tin can on the edge of the basin filled with water. Next is to light up the lighter. Place it on the edge of the tin can and see what happens.
It's true. It's true.
Yes.
Ooh, yeah. I'm in love with the things that you do. Ooh, yeah. It's
Due to buoyancy, the tin can floats on water. The heat that comes from the lighter is then converted to kinetic energy that enables the tin can to move.
And that is heat